The Federal High Court complex in Uyo has finally been commissioned 12 years after the judiciary in Akwa Ibom State made its first request for the establishment of the High Court. Representing President Goodluck Jonathan at the event, Governor Godswill Akpabio reminded the members of the judiciary that the courts and the legal process should not be misused for personal purposes.
The Akwa Ibom judiciary has been waiting for this day since the year 2000. The state had been covered by the Calabar division of the court for more than a decade now, but thanks to persistence and the presence of one of their own in the government house, what they've been yearning for is no longer a wish.
The state government provided our initial takeoff needs, that is temporary buildings for the court and registry, as well as for the quarters of the resident judge. We thank you very much. After several efforts, this parcel of land upon which this edifice stands was finally allocated to us by the government led by His Excellency Dr. Godswill Akpabio in 2009.
Before reading President Jonathan's address, Governor Godswill Akpabio notes that justice delivery could be swifter in the state and also warns that considering the allegations of corruption within the third estate of the realm, the judiciary has no choice but to remain impartial and non-political. Then came the president's speech.
Let me use this opportunity to express the sincere thanks of the federal government and the good citizens of our dear country to the judiciary for standing up to the democratic test and acquitting itself creditably in the face of a barrage of litigations arising from the various elections we have held since this current democratic dispensation. That the elections spawned so many court cases will not be a bad omen, as some cynics have postulated. I believe it was rather an indication of the robust faith Nigerians have in our judicial system. I do this in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
New buildings of the court in Akure, Owerri, Umuahia and Oka would soon be ready for commissioning.